Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a couple of items and I'm going to use iCook. iCook manages somehow to cook the food without a lot of electricity gas, and it also keeps the nutrients of the items in. So for example here, I'm going to boil some eggs, right? And I've put a couple of eggs in, but as you can see, there's just a little bit of water on the bottom, and now I close it. I let the water warm up, and as soon as it gets to the boiling temperature, I'm going to turn it off. I'll show you. So you can listen the bubbles, you can listen the vibration, you can hear it, sorry, you can hear the vibration, right? So this is the moment when I'm going to take the gas to the low temperature, right? Just give it a moment. You see, it already starts to water seal the temperature inside. And on the sides, you'll be able to see that it's like a perfect seal of the lid on the pot, right? If it still moves like that now, then the temperature is still too hot in it, but I can't turn it off completely yet. Now you can see some air coming out. That's because now it's really too hot. I'm still going to wait a couple more minutes for it to do a special sound. So now you can hear the sound again. It's bubbling, right? So this is the moment where I turn the gas off completely. I just turn it off completely and watch that. The sound goes, and that's it. I can move the pot on the side. The lid is sealed, doesn't come off. From this point, I can leave the eggs in as much as I want them to boil for. So if I want some softer eggs, then I shouldn't leave them a long time. But if I want them to be hard-boiled eggs, then I should leave them for like 20 minutes. And that's when they're ready. Where I boil the eggs, and as you can see, every water drop is in it. iCook didn't lose any of the water, so it kept all the nutrients of the eggs and boiled them slowly. Every pot has its own lid, so you can't get it wrong, and it's important to use the right lid for the right pot so that it actually can seal it properly. It's made out of steel. Now, I worked in the steel industry and I know there are different grades and different qualities for the same steel. So if you think about stainless steel, you probably think it's one material. Well, the answer to that is definitely no. It is made out of stainless steel, a very good quality one. And the heat is distributed evenly through the entire pot. Therefore, you don't have to mix so much as you do in normal cookery items. And another important thing is that there's a layer of stainless steel, then a layer of aluminium, and then another one of stainless steel. So this way the aluminium gets hot on the inside and it keeps the temperature and slowly cooks everything without actually contaminating everything with aluminium, which, by the way, is really negative for our body. That's why aluminium pots are actually not very good for us. It's called Vital Lock, the system they use, and it's unique to iCook. And to make sure that everything is true, they also have certifications from NSF, which is a third-party independent agency that verifies companies when it comes to their statements and their claims. It's not very easy to get such a certification, so please do look it up. I definitely love cooking with iCook.